Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to Tokimotive. Alright, so I forgot to film an intro, but here's the video. Lots of shenanigans. Hope you guys enjoy. So I've come to a realization. I have this really restrictive muffler. See this extra muffler here, this really doesn't need to be here. It's kind of unnecessary. I've already got one. No, we don't need that.
What'd you just do?
Oh, pinch the meat of my hand. It sounds horrendous, but it worked.
Hey, if it works, it's not stupid, right?
That's my logic.
So said you are.
Undo your dog.
The dog's like, but I'm right here. There's doggo at your feet. Hello, sir. Yes.
Sorry. Hello.
The dog is looking up like, that bitch didn't buy cams.
Hello.
Your mum?
No, mum will say no.
This is.
I know mum will say. Yeah, nah.
So I can't say anything because this is my car's not due yet.
Hey,
There's no, we don't even have to make one. We'll just fucking
seeing
smack
as
it
it's
out.
fucked.
Shit.
So this job just got a lot easier because I'm never gonna need that muffler again.
You are 100% gonna wash your hands. Do we need the other?
I did say it was a metallic core.
Do we need the other persuasive tool? Persuasion.
You want a bigger hammer?
Persuasion?
Who's good with a hammer and not gonna smack me fucking hand?
Saris, get the fuck out the way.
Go dog, go dog.
Saris, move, move,
You
move.
hit my hand, I'm gonna be very upset.
Oh god, don't worry, I'll get it on camera.
I'm just in there.
Whoa.
Those are some big ass balls.
So you just think, that could have been my fucking hand. Good job. Yeah. Now I'm gonna stop. I need another flat blade to get this other flat blade out.
Well, you're clawing it, you idiot.
Let it pull out. Let it pull out and it's gotta hit it.
I thought I wasn't.
That's what she said.
What the fuck? This is a PG channel, for fuck's sake.
Michael, don't do it. We have technology.
Can I hammer it?
I have a press.
No.
Why don't we just press a rod through it?
Yeah, probably.
That sounds too logical.
That sounds way too logical.
Yeah, okay, fair.
Okay, cool. Got me.
This is the Tokimotive channel.
There's the hammer.
Fair.
Ouch.
Okay, never mind.
Just whack that.
Oh, your game. Visual concern. One weapon of cat destruction. I mean, muffler.
Getting anywhere near.
Corey, if you fall, it's all going to be recorded, is wrong.
Very good.
I feel like you need to be taller.
Fuck. Fucker.
He gets
Hey,
my
hey, whoa,
hand
whoa,
off.
whoa.
That's not gonna do that.
Pretend that you're a stepdad and you just come home after a night on the Bundy Rum. Train professionals, kids.
Train monkeys.
Train monkeys without the training.
Feel like putting your hands there?
Nah, not really. Let me on the chair.
That weighs more than 70 kilos freaking wet. Might be a better idea. Bit in honeycomb. Sick. I haven't found a solid rod. Would you like solid rod?
Michael always likes...
I like some solid.
I was going to say Michael likes some solid rod.
He's the boss of the music and the video stuff.
That's fair enough. Let's do this.
Extension with
As long as it doesn't smack me in the fucking face, I don't care.
Fair point. Or break another bit. I'm pleased we got the multi-pack. Turbos. To think, some little kid in China worked really hard to put that in there.
twice in the same spot.
Oh god. Whole table snaps off legs. Timber!
Ah, that fucking hurts so bad.
It's coming out.
It's getting there.
Yummy. The forbidden honeycomb. This has turned into a mission.
This is taking way too long.
Metal cores are not fun when it's gotta go. What? Oh!
You know what we should do? We should not have that there, because that just cuts straight through that fucking lead.
Oh, did it?
Uh-oh, spaghetti.
Oh, fuck.
Ooh, that's fucking live too. We should probably turn it off.
That didn't go well at all.
Fuck! I really do not want that lead to die.
Too bad. Oh, no, do a little cut and fix it up.
Is it-
Dad did.
Is it like cut all the way through the wire?
And it started cutting through the negative or the neutral.
Fuck.
Just wrap it in electrical tape, should be right.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Just send it.
Let me have a look at him. Whoa! Fuck yeah. We're gonna get flames. It's a boy! World's most...
Dad?
Fuck yeah! World's most expensive
There's
turd.
about $260 right there. I'm not even joking.
Fuck.
But no, so
Perfect. Future Toki here, realizing that while I'm editing, I never recorded saying what I was actually doing with the tune to play around and get lots of fire. And extremely loud bangs, like it's fucking ridiculous. Basically, after decoring the muffler, I decided now it's a little less restrictive, let's have a play in the ECU. Ah, there's an ant on my foot. Let's have a play in the ECU and see what sort of flames I can get out of it. Which was a lot. But basically I slowly pulled timing from the decel. The zero load, decel, zero demand, whichever your ECU calls it. I pulled it from that, pulled the timing from it, slowly taking it down further and further until it was at an absolutely ridiculous point. Which, FYI, all those crackle tune golfs and things like that, literally the only thing that is pulling timing from the decel section. That's it. That's all a crackle tune is. So I wanted to take it to a ridiculous point where it was basically like a fucking shotgun going off, and it was, with big fucking light fire show out the back. So by the end of it, I went to a stupid level of negative 45 degrees of timing and turned off the fuel cut on decel. No way is that drivable on the street. Like, that was the... No way. What's coming up after I dial it in and make it ridiculous is like the most terrifying 10-minute drive of my life. Like, I'm just like, this is bad. I need to get home now. But anyways, it's fun. So, hang around, lots of fire, lots of loud gunshot sounds, and yeah, just doing silly stuff with the tune. If anyone wants to know or see exactly what I did, you can hit me up on Instagram or something and I'll walk you through how to do it if that's something you want to do. At the end of the day, I'm all for people having fun and doing what they want to do. So, I'll show you how to do it. I don't care. Anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of the video, and talk to you at the end. Holy fuck! I've still got oil pressure, right? Yeah, that's fine. Send it. That's the freight. Is this what reverse birth looks like? Yes. Mint.
I'm in.
Oh, this is incredibly retarded. Thought I'd just add in, I did pull that map off and get rid of all that decel timing fuckiness. I don't keep running it like that. That shit was ridiculous. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. That was absolutely ridiculous, but a lot of fun. Just stupid things, and goddamn, does the car sound so much better now. So much better. Like, that thing must have been free floating around in there for a long time, because this thing used to have some inconsistent power for a while there, which I now realise was after I set up and played around doing two-step on it, and then I took the two-step off because I don't want to, you know, destroy my valve train completely prematurely, because I like to drive. But the big spark ball that rolled out the back, I'm going to say that was it dying, breaking away, and then it's just been free floating ever since, mashing itself smaller and closing itself up, making it more restrictive, and then just on the inside there. So that's fucking, that makes sense. Oh, that, or the belt slap, don't worry, you'll see what caused that in the next video. So make sure you tune in for that one. But anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little bit harder trying to film shenanigans with a bunch of people in the shed. It makes it a little bit more challenging to kind of orchestrate things in a way that you can see everything without having someone to just film the whole time. But I think it was still pretty decent. Plenty of good laughs in there. So I really do hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for coming. And leave a like if you did enjoy the video. And I'll see you on the next one.